Thank you so much.
Thank you, Garima. We now move on to the next lap of our Engineering Excellence Awards, something which we have been waiting so painstakingly all through. I would like to invite the awardees of the Special Mention Awards. I would like to invite representatives from Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India for their project Modernization of Bank Note Press, Devas. I will request the honorable dignitaries. I will request Professor N.K. Goyal to please present over this token of thanks, appreciation to Banknote Press Devas. The next special mention award also goes to Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India for their project Indigenization of Bank Note Paper Production. Indigenization of Bank Note Paper Production. Some of the projects of Security Printing Press were so classified that we were not given the photographs and further details of these projects. So I would request Professor Bhunia to please present this token of thanks to Security Printing Press. The terminal building at Birsa Munda Airport, Ranchi, has also been recognized as an engineering marvel of India. I request the representatives from Airports Authority of India, Ranchi, to please take a token of appreciation from Professor S.K. Kak, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mahamaya Technical University. The new domestic and international terminal at the Chennai airport is also an engineering marvel for the year 2013. I would like to invite the representatives from Airports Authority of India, Chennai, to please receive a token of thanks and appreciation from Mr. C.S. Prasad. Thanks a lot, sir. The Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, Manesar, is housed in a building constructed by the National Building Corporation, Construction Corporation of India. I would request the representatives from NBCC to please accept a token of thanks from Professor P.B. Sharma for their project Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, Manesar. It's from this headquarters Ministry of Corporate Affairs would be running their 6,000 crore plus CSR regime, writing policies and guidelines for evoking a different financial inclusion in the country. The National Buildings Corporation, Construction Corporation Limited has also bagged a special mention award for their project to carry out planning, designing, construction as well as licensing for various approvals for CBI headquarter building at envelope 5B CGO complex, Lodi Road, New Delhi. So from the Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs building to the CBI building, NBCC is all through. I would request Sushil sir to please hand over a token of appreciation. The Delhi Tourism and Transportation Development Corporation has bagged the Special Mention Award for their Delhi Heart project at Pitampura. I think DTDC is missing out here. We have representatives from HSCC India Limited for their project Specialized Center for Treatment of Sports Injuries, a Special Mention Award for HSCC India Limited. I would request Professor Bhunia to please hand over the award to HSCC Limited representatives. Initiatives for reduction in energy consumption by slotted anodes. The project implemented by Vedanta Aluminium Limited has been given a Special Mention Award for being an engineering marvel. I will request Professor Kak to please hand over the award. I think they have two more awards, Special Mention Awards in line for their project Reverse Osmosis Treatment of Effluent Water. It goes to Vedanta Aluminium again as a Special Mention Award. I will request Professor Sharma to please encourage the efforts of Vedanta Aluminium in the state of Orissa, where they are undertaking some of the finest engineering works out there. And the next project in line in the Special Mention Award again goes to Vedanta Aluminium Limited for their project Red Mud Filtration and Recovery of Valuable Metals. I will request Professor Bhunia to please present over this award. Distribution related engineering asset management system, DREAMS. The project is implemented by CESC Limited. I will request their representative to please come and accept the token of thanks from Mr. R.K. Vash, Principal Resident Commissioner, Government of Tripura. So we had deliberately kept the order of the award disbursement from the public choice to special mention, and now we will moving on to the jury choice awards. I have some 5 very special campuses, the educational campuses out here to receive a token of appreciation, a token of thanks, manufacturing process. I would request Mr. R.K. Vash to please hand over a token of appreciation to representatives of JK Files India Limited. Automated shaft bearing assembly line developed by Ring Plus Aqua also entitles for a special mention award. I would request Professor Bhunia to please hand over the award to Ring Plus Aqua. Engineering defect. So we now move on to the most exciting and the most prestigious lab